Hello and welcome to Bali. I'm here in Kuta today, and if you're thinking about doing a bit of shopping while you're here, there's a lot to choose from. Bali is full of beautiful handcrafted pieces and unique souvenirs. But shopping in Bali is not always the most relaxed experience. A lot of places expect you to bargain, and it can feel a bit overwhelming if you're not used to it. So in this video, I'm going to take you to 3 shops that make things a lot easier. Fixed prices, no pressure, and plenty of gorgeous Balinese pieces. Starting with the first one, Bali Zen. This is my favorite shop, and I have always gone home with something from this store. Bali Zen has 3 outlets, one in the Discovery Mall, one in Seminyak Square, and one in Ubud. So if you're looking for something unique with the Balinese style, give Bali Zen a go. The next store was a chance discovery on my walk back from Kuta Beach. Go and check out my Kuta Beach video. This store is opposite the Kuta Art Market. This store had a gorgeous range of hand-carved items specializing in beach decor and a lot of nursery items. I don't show you prices in my videos because you can find the same items all around Bali, and a lot of the stores don't want you revealing their prices. Next up is Wake Square. So you're going to find it just opposite the Stadium Cafe Sports Bar. Is a store that has traditional Balinese handcrafted souvenirs that you'll find throughout the whole island. The beauty of this store is you've got it all under one roof and you don't need to bargain. This store was massive. I didn't record the whole store. It had everything that you can think of. Let's go have a look at what you can find in this store.
Sunglass cases.
Just so you know that if you're looking to purchase a fake handbag in Bali, there's 3 different types of quality, mirror quality being of the highest quality. I found the quality in this store to be the entry level quality. Check out my fake handbag Bali video if you're looking to buy mirror quality handbags. Well, I hope this video gives you an idea of what's available in the shops in Bali. This was only a small snippet of what's available in the fixed price shops. If you're interested in more Bali content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more to come. And if you're interested in more shopping videos, make sure to check out my shopping playlist linked in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.